I've been exploring the Starbucks mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Starbucks mobile app. First off, let's talk about what the Starbucks app has to offer. The main draw is easy ahead-of-time ordering. You can customize your drink down to every last detail and just pick it up without needing to wait in line. And trust me, for any regular Starbucks visitor, that feature can be a game changer. Starbucks Rewards is baked right in, so every time you use the app, you're earning stars that can be exchanged for free food and drinks. With a decent variety of challenges and games, there's even a way to earn stars faster, and you get a free treat on your birthday if you've made a qualifying transaction that year. Another highlight: payment is streamlined. You can scan to pay at the register, link your cards, or use your existing gift cards straight from the app. If you're someone who never likes fishing for your wallet, this is super convenient. Plus, you can save your favorite custom orders and syncs right into your preferred payment method, making repeat visits really smooth. Let's not forget other perks, like sending e-gifts to friends with just a few taps, finding nearby Starbucks stores, checking if there's a drive-through Wi-Fi, or specific store hours before you head out. You can tip your barista directly, which feels pretty modern. The app supports Apple Watch and iMassage, so you can operate within the Apple ecosystem if that's how you roll. But it's not all perfect. One of the main frustrations revolves around auto-reload for payment cards. Several users have reported issues where turning off auto-reload doesn't seem to stick. Sometimes the app applies a reload even after you've toggled the option off, which could lead to unwanted charges. It's not very transparent, and finding out how to manage or disable auto-reload isn't as straightforward as it should be. That lack of clarity on payment controls has led some to stop using the app entirely, so if you're budgeting carefully or just dislike surprise reloads, this is worth noting. Some users have also found the order status feature underwhelming. After placing a mobile order, it's not always obvious whether your drink is ready for pickup. On busy days, that means you might be stuck in a crowd, unsure if you're supposed to be waiting or heading up to grab your drink. The app could definitely make this more user-friendly and obvious, particularly for new users who aren't familiar with the in-store pickup flow. As with any app, privacy is another facet to consider. Starbucks collects a fair amount of data: purchases, location, financial info, identifiers, and some of this is used to track you across different apps and sites. If you're cautious about what data you share, it's worth reading their privacy terms. All in all, the Starbucks app does exactly what it promises. It makes getting your coffee easier and more personalized, while rewarding you for coming back. The mobile order ahead feature, ability to tip, and reward system make it genuinely useful for regulars and loyalists. But if transparent payment controls and order status updates are a top priority, the experience may leave you a bit frustrated. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.